I'm gonna be doing a dancing video.
Find a good girl out there, man. Find me a chick. It's kinda hard to do nowadays. That kind of lifestyle we live. I know you know what I'm talking about. You don't wanna watch. See the man watch. Shorty going blind. Looking at the watch. Now saw her bag. Now saw her hair. Now saw her shoot. Now it's in the air. Both crew on the river. Right goes travel. Blue dot zipper. Baby girl nice. Take you on a trip. Turn the work twice. Take all night. Outside the club, I told my nigga that's what's up. Seen her inside the club, faithfully checking them up. I see her dancing with her girlfriend. I didn't see your boyfriend. So when I tried to join in, I was so annoyed when she said she don't wanna ride. The man too close by. She don't wanna ride.
No, please, I'm sorry. I have allergies. That's me. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I have bad. Oh my god, I have bad allergies right now, so that's the end of this video. I'm sorry. Excuse me, I have no control of my nose right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed somewhat. I messed up because of my sneezing, but I'm sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my god. And I'm definitely doing another video, but so far this is it. So hope you guys like it. Bye. Oh my goodness. Bye.